Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I'd like to introduce the Semlos Lazy Susan Organizer, the ultimate solution for a neat, organized space. So recently a member from the Semlos company contacted me and asked me if I would showcase their product for them, and I said sure, send it, I'd be happy to do it for you. And on first impressions after unboxing this product, I was impressed. It's nicely made, it's sturdy. The plastic, which is BPA free, it doesn't feel like it would easily crack. It has a nice non-slip inside liner, and it seems to be very well made. On the back has the little spinner mechanism that makes this a Lazy Susan. Now allow me to provide you with some additional details about this product. With a full 360-degree rotation, you can easily access all of your items with just a simple spin. Perfect for your kitchen, bathroom, office, or even your vanity. Crafted with durable, high-quality materials, the Semlos Lazy Susan is designed to handle everything from spices and condiments to makeup and cleaning supplies, keeping your essentials right at your fingertips. Thanks to the non-slip base and smooth turning design, everything stays securely in place. No slipping, no tipping, just easy organization. And with this sleek, modern look, it not only saves you space, but also elevates your home style. Simplify, organize, and spin your way to a clutter-free life with the Semlos Lazy Susan Organizer. Get yours today. So I hope that you're impressed with the Semlos Lazy Susan Organizer. I will have the link in the description box below where you can purchase this. And I thank you for watching.